What's up, y'all? It's your girl Randa G here with another video. So as you can see behind me, we have some Christmas stuff I need to decorate. So I'm gonna bring y'all along with me. Make sure you hit like and subscribe, turn on your notifications so you don't miss the next video, and let's get right into it. Okay, y'all, first things first, I have stuff like everywhere. So this is a vase where I'm going to put that and some other stuff that I have. I have wrapping paper. I have new ornaments that I bought for my tree because we're actually putting up 2 trees this year. Woo-hoo. I have a tree skirt. This is my wreath that's in the box. I'm also putting out Christmas pillows on the couch, and I also bought new pillows. So yeah, we have a lot to get into. I also am going to be using some of the old stuff that I used last year. Yeah, we got a lot going on, but it's okay. So let's get into it. I think I'm gonna do this area first, and then I'll move into the Christmas trees. Yeah, sounds like a plan. Let's get it. Okay, y'all, so now we're moving on to the living room. So I have these throw pillows. So like my normal decor, since my appliances are silver, but I love gold, and then like my couch is gray, that's me trying to combine all the colors together. So like the gray, the gold, and then like the cream, and then like the gray still matches my silver appliances. Like even if you notice, like my lampshades, they're gold, but the lining is silver. I don't know, maybe that's me being extra, maybe you don't even notice, but to me that's me still matching. So anyway, so what I am doing, I'm taking these covers off of my pillows, and then I bought 2 more pillows that I have to take out of this package, and then I have like the gold like velveteen, and then I have like the white and silver. So hopefully it looks good together. We'll see. But let's go ahead and get right into it. I didn't mention to y'all, so I did buy a new throw blanket as well, which I do love my throw. I think I'm just gonna put it on my bed. It's like white and gray and it matches the couch so good. But for my Christmas colors, of course, I am doing gold, silver with pops of red. So I bought a red throw. So hopefully this is gonna look good, and hopefully it will combine all together nicely. And I bought all of these things from Amazon, by the way. The cover sets for the pillows are from Amazon, and this throw is from Amazon as well. So everything is strictly Amazon. But it's just a regular smuggler throw. I love how it has like the little like frills at the end. I don't know, that gives me Christmas vibes. So yeah, I'm gonna set this up real quick. Ooh. Interrupting our video. No, I'm kidding. So I don't think I like this, y'all. I think I'm gonna have to go to Hobby Lobby and add some more stuff. I bought this vase from Ross, which I love because it's gold and then it has like the silver accents. I did buy this from Ross, and I like the red because I'm doing pops of red this year. And I like my silver that I already had, but like the greenery isn't really matching this greenery, so it don't flow. So I think I'm gonna have to go back to Hobby Lobby, go back to the drawing board on this. Like, I like the concept, I like my thought process, but I'm not executing. So we're gonna revisit this. But this was from Amazon and it is beautiful. I think this one cost me like 30 bucks. And I love it so much because I know right now I don't have a fireplace, but this will look so good when I do eventually get a fireplace. Like, it's perfect right now for my TV stand, but it's gonna even look better on a fireplace. I can already tell. So I love that I bought this. This was a good purchase. Amazon. I'll see if I can drop the link below if y'all do want to get this. But yeah, this came out beautifully. All right, let's get back into it. Just had to, this ain't working for me. Now I'm gonna do my Christmas tree. Like I said, I'm gonna have 2 Christmas trees. So this Christmas tree is the new one that I bought from Target. So I'm gonna put this one like right in front of the mirror, so like when people are driving by, they can see it. And then like my other Christmas tree that y'all saw last year in my townhouse is gonna be in the dining room, which we're gonna decorate that together too. So I'm gonna go ahead and get right into it. This is the base. I can already tell that this is gonna be messy. So this snow, I said this snow, wow. This tree has like the fake snow going on. So I can already tell this is gonna be a mess. Okay y'all, so tree is up, we figured out the lights. Now I need to sweep because underneath, around, it just looks awful. Like even my sweatshirt, like the snow is everywhere. So I'm gonna sweep real quick and then we're gonna put on the ornaments. Okay, y'all, so let's touch base. My camera died while I was decorating the Christmas trees, and I also did do some more touches to my place, only because I found a box in my glam room that had a lot of Christmas stuff in it. So I found my black Santa, I found my silver tree that I like to go on my entry table. So I'm going to show y'all everything I did, how it came together. It really does look nice. I had to run to the store and get batteries just for like my wreath that I put on the door and my garland that I put on my TV stand. So anyway, I'm gonna stop talking. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. Make sure you hit like and subscribe, turn on your notifications so you don't miss the next video.